Hey there. Welcome back to JF Commerce, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing, technology, and business innovation. Today, we're diving into something that's been making waves in the world of productivity and collaboration: Gemini for Google Workspace. If you're curious about how businesses are harnessing the power of Gemini to streamline their operations, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Section 1. What is Gemini for Google Workspace? First things first, what exactly is Gemini for Google Workspace? If you're familiar with Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, you know it's a powerful suite of cloud-based productivity tools that include Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and more. But what happens when you combine these already powerful tools with the capabilities of artificial intelligence? You get Gemini, a set of AI-driven features designed to supercharge your Google Workspace experience. Gemini leverages AI to assist with tasks, automate processes, and provide insights that help businesses work smarter, not harder. Think of Gemini as your virtual assistant within Google Workspace, helping you with everything from drafting emails to managing documents, analyzing data, and even predicting project outcomes. Section 2. Enhancing productivity with Gemini. Let's talk about productivity, something every business strives for. Gemini for Google Workspace offers several features that can significantly enhance productivity. Here's how. 1. AI-powered email drafting. One of the most impressive features of Gemini is its ability to draft emails using AI. Let's face it, writing emails can be time-consuming, especially when you're trying to get the tone just right. With Gemini, you can say goodbye to writer's block. It can generate email drafts based on the context you provide, saving you time and ensuring your communication is clear and effective. Example: imagine you need to follow up with a client who hasn't responded to your proposal. Gemini can draft a polite yet persuasive follow-up email for you, complete with suggestions for how to move forward. 2. Smart document management. Managing documents is another area where Gemini shines. Google Drive is already a fantastic tool for storing and sharing files, but with Gemini, it gets even better. Gemini can automatically organize your documents, suggest relevant files based on your current tasks, and even flag important information within documents. Example: if you're working on a project and need to pull up all related documents, Gemini can quickly surface those files, saving you the hassle of searching through folders. 3. Task automation. Task automation is where Gemini really flexes its AI muscles. Repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, setting reminders, or even generating reports can be automated with Gemini. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error. Example: let's say you have a weekly team meeting. Gemini can automatically schedule these meetings, prepare the agenda, and even send out reminders to your team so you can focus on more strategic tasks. Section 3. Enhancing collaboration with Gemini. Collaboration is key to any successful business, and Gemini takes Google Workspace's collaboration tools to the next level. Here's how businesses are using Gemini to enhance teamwork. 1. Real-time collaboration with AI insights. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides have long been champions of real-time collaboration. But with Gemini, these tools are now equipped with AI insights that can suggest edits, highlight important data points, and even predict outcomes based on current inputs. Example: imagine you're working on a sales forecast with your team in Google Sheets. Gemini can analyze the data in real time, provide insights on trends, and suggest adjustments to improve accuracy. It's like having a data analyst on your team 24/7. 2. Intelligent meeting summaries. Meetings are a necessary part of business, but they can also be time-consuming. With Gemini, you can automate the process of capturing meeting notes and summarizing discussions. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and that key takeaways are not lost. Example: after a brainstorming session, Gemini can automatically generate a summary of the meeting, highlighting action items, key decisions, and next steps. This summary can then be shared with all participants, saving time and ensuring clarity. 3. Enhanced file sharing and security. File sharing within Google Workspace is seamless, but security is always a concern. Gemini adds an extra layer of intelligence by analyzing file sharing patterns and identifying potential security risks. It can also recommend the best sharing settings to ensure that sensitive information stays secure. Example: if you're sharing a financial report with a client, Gemini can suggest the most secure sharing settings, such as view-only access, to protect your data from unauthorized changes. Section 4. Data-driven decision-making with Gemini. Data is the lifeblood of any business, and making sense of it can be challenging. Gemini helps businesses make data-driven decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data and providing actionable insights. Here's how. 1. Predictive analytics. Gemini's AI capabilities include predictive analytics, which can forecast outcomes based on historical data. This is particularly useful for businesses that need to anticipate market trends, customer behavior, or project outcomes. Example: if you're launching a new product, Gemini can analyze previous launches and current market data to predict how the product will perform, allowing you to make informed decisions about inventory, marketing, and pricing. 2. Automated reporting. Generating reports can be a tedious task, but it's essential for tracking performance and making informed decisions. With Gemini, report generation is automated and can be customized to suit your specific needs. Example: need a weekly sales report? Gemini can automatically pull data from your CRM, generate the report, and even highlight key metrics or anomalies that need your attention. 3. Real-time data analysis. In today's fast-paced business environment, real-time data analysis is crucial. Gemini can analyze data as it's being collected, providing you with up-to-the-minute insights that can inform your strategy. Example: if you're running an online marketing campaign, Gemini can monitor performance in real time, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly to optimize results. Section 5. The future of work with Gemini. So, what does the future hold for businesses using Gemini for Google Workspace? The possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced features that will further enhance productivity, collaboration, and decision-making. 1. Personalized AI assistance. As Gemini learns more about your business and how you work, it will become even more personalized, providing tailored suggestions and automating tasks specific to your needs. 2. Integration with other tools. Gemini is already powerful within Google Workspace, but imagine the possibilities when it integrates with other tools and platforms. This could create a seamless, AI-powered ecosystem that covers all aspects of your business. 3. Continuous learning and improvement. AI doesn't stand still. Gemini will continue to learn from its interactions, improving over time to provide even more value to your business. This means that the more you use it, the better it gets at helping you achieve your goals. In conclusion, Gemini for Google Workspace is more than just a set of tools. It's a game changer for businesses looking to enhance productivity, collaboration, and data-driven decision-making. Whether you're automating tasks, generating insights, or enhancing security, Gemini offers a smarter way to work. As AI continues to evolve, the potential for Gemini to transform how we do business is limitless. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the latest trends in digital marketing, technology, and business innovation. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to work smarter with AI.